The series ICSE Mathematics for classes 1 to 5 aims to meet the expectations of the students and teachers and help students gain knowledge of mathematical concepts and vocabulary through clear explanations and supporting examples. The series comprises of the following concepts: textbooks, interactive learning app, and teachers' manuals. Let's check out some of the amazing features of the series. The books open up with the detailed contents page that displays the list of chapters, main topics, and activities. And the contents page displays the list of chapters and additional features. The section inside the book given at the beginning of each book highlights the overall layout and view of the book. Each chapter in classes 3 to 5 begins with learning outcomes, listing the knowledge and skills students should acquire after completing the chapter. Concepts are dealt using simple and lucid language to lay a strong foundation of the subject. Ample solved examples are given to strengthen the understanding of the concepts. Important points and tips related to a particular concept are highlighted in the top tips section. In books 1 and 2, each chapter has questions for practice, and in books 3 to 5, we have given in-text exercises that help students apply the concepts learned. For additional important information, we have included the sections you should know in books 1 and 2 and remember in books 3 to 5. Also, questions to enhance thinking skills are given in the sections Brainwork for books 1 and 2 and Mental Maths for books 3 to 5. The sections Test Yourself in books 1 and 2 and Review Exercise in books 3 to 5 include a variety of objective and subjective questions for complete revision of the concepts learned. In books 1 and 2, we have included sections like Think and Answer to develop logical thinking and reasoning, and Fun Time consisting of fun activities to instill love for the subject. Questions based on values and life skills have been included to develop interpersonal skills. Concept-based activities given at the end of each chapter can be used to reinforce the concepts learned. Progress worksheets are given at the end of each chapter to evaluate the knowledge and understanding of the concepts learned. The section Attempt and Score is a bank of questions given at the end of the books to assess the overall learning of the concepts. To make learning interesting and fun-filled, the section Enjoy Maths is given at the end of the books 1 and 2 that consists of activity-based questions. Also, the section Integrate Your Learning given at the end of the books 3 to 5 links mathematics with other subjects. And that's not all. We have given interesting fun games on the inner back cover of all the books. Subscribing to ICSE Mathematics makes the teacher's life easy too. The Teacher's Resource Pack has everything a teacher needs: detailed lesson plans, solutions of selected questions, and worksheets. ICSE Mathematics also offers online support for teachers. It includes e-books, audio visuals, solutions of the selected questions, worksheets, detailed lesson plans, and test generator. The ICSE Mathematics app for Android, iOS, and web is an engaging learning tool, which is a must-have digital component for teachers and young learners to enjoy a wholesome interactive learning experience. Let's have a look at the modules of the interactive learning app. They are Test Your Knowledge, Activities, Terms to Know, Points to Remember, and Download and Practice.